Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add and remove follow-up flags on received emails in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and make them accessible for managing. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox so all your messages appear properly. Now that your emails have loaded, look over at your inbox pane. This is the section where all your emails and email folders are displayed on the left side of the screen. From here, you'll need to locate the specific email you want to add a follow-up flag to. Browse through your inbox and find the message that needs flagging. This could be an important email you need to respond to later or one that requires action at a specific time. Once you've found the email, hover your cursor over it. As you do this, you'll notice a small white flag icon appearing on the top right corner of that email. This flag icon is what you'll use to mark the message for follow-up. Go ahead and click on that white flag icon. As soon as you click it, the flag will turn red, indicating that you've successfully added a follow-up flag to this email. The email is now marked and will appear in your flagged items, making it easier to track and remember to address it later. Now, let's talk about removing the follow-up flag if you no longer need it or if you've already completed the task associated with that email. The removal process is just as simple. Once the follow-up flag has been added to your email and appears red, hover your cursor back over that same flag icon. This time, instead of left-clicking, right-click on the flag. This will open a small context window with additional tagging options. In the context window that appears, you'll see several options for managing your flag settings. Look for the option labeled Clear Flag. Click on it to remove the follow-up flag from this email. Once you click Clear Flag, the red flag will disappear and the email will no longer be marked for follow-up. The message will return to its normal state without any flag indicator. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to both add and remove follow-up flags on received emails in Outlook, giving you better control over managing your important messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.